Good morning, guys. I have a bunch of bags today. I'm gonna put the price in the title of this video just so you guys kind of like know how much I spent, or like how many items you would get for that price essentially. But I'm gonna go ahead and just dive right in today. I picked up the Reynolds wrap. I love these because these are just like already pre-cut foil sheets, so it's just really nice. So that's just going to be a restock in my kitchen. Now, this was actually in a previous video where I did the ChatGPT video. If you haven't seen that, I'll link it down below. ChatGPT is basically AI, it's artificial intelligence, and I asked it what the top 10 best-selling Dollar Tree products were, and it gave me a list, and then I hauled kind of based off of that list. So I think somewhere on like number 6 or 7, somewhere in there, it said toys. But I had to show this again because I'm so shocked by this. I really love the packaging on it. I don't know why, but it's Barbie's jet ski. Like, this is brand new to Dollar Tree, so I'm definitely going to keep this and give it to my niece. Also, I just thought I would answer this because after all these years of hauling, it's my most asked question ever. I see it in the comments almost in every video, and it's, what do I do with all this stuff that I haul? I've answered this several times, but I know I'm getting a lot of new subscribers, so thank you for subscribing. But basically, I haul and share with you guys what I think you need to know about is at the store, things that catch my personal attention. But that means that sometimes things aren't always like relevant to me in my life. I will hold on to it if I think like, oh, I might be able to use that later. But if it's something that I just know I'm not going to use right away, it gets donated. And then other things just like get sorted into the house, whether it's craft supplies or kitchen supplies or toys. That like in my guest bedroom, I have a dresser and I'll just like start putting toys in it. So when my niece and nephew come, they already have toys here to play with. So things like that. So hopefully that answers anyone who's wondering about that today. Okay, and then I'm finding Barbie. Like Barbie name brand stuff, and this is actually Barbie's clothes, which I kind of feel like, I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I feel like there should be a lot of like clothing variety for Barbie, but maybe it's a little bit harder to find. I don't really know. Whenever I go to Walmart, I just don't see that much. But I found this cute little dress and heels at Dollar Tree. I looked through them all to see if there were like different options. I only found this particular dress, but that doesn't mean that that's what you're gonna find, because y'all know, we never know Dollar Tree. Okay, in the second bag, I have some breakables, and I found these really cute little decorative vases. They were in the Shore Living line, but I don't know if it's technically Shore Living. I mean, it does have this like jute twine detail and the cork top, so it does have like a nautical vibe, but it doesn't have the label. I also got it in this clear color as well, so super pretty. This is the perfect size for like a guest bathroom or for your bathroom or your vanity desk, and also great for tier trays. I can't talk today. I don't know what's wrong today. All right, then I got this little jar, and like, look how cute it is. Now, you guys know I'm trying to basically move back home, but if I could, I would haul like 10 of these because I think these would be so cute in the pantry with candy. Like, I think it's just the right size, especially for me, maybe not for like a huge family, but if you're just like 1 or 2 people in your house, I feel like that can be, you know, a struggle when it comes to like breaking down dinner or just like making things in smaller portions. This is the perfect size container to like store little food items, and it's glass, so I love that. But yeah, so when I go back home, I'm hoping I'm gonna find this exact container, and then I'm gonna grab like 10 or however many, and then like fill them up with candy like M&Ms and Skittles. So I got that. Okay, in this bag, listen, I'm just gonna hold it up. I'm sorry. This is from Dollar Tree. This is a peach stem right here, and these are orange stems. how stunning is this? I want to decorate so bad. I know a lot of you miss my decorating videos, trust me, same. And this right here, this inspires me so much. It makes me want to do like a very fresh, bright, summery, Grecian. I don't really know. I don't know why I'm thinking that when I see oranges. I mean, the peaches are really cute as well, but these oranges are just, I have no words. $1.25 for each stem. So there's that. All right, let's dive into the third bag. So we've got 4 total. I found some more ribbon and I'm very excited about it because I found orange and yellow. These colors I'm just clearly gravitating towards this season. I don't know why. They have different like options. Like this is like a little satin. And then I don't know what this is called. If you know, comment in the comments. Let me know what that's called. I feel like I should know, but I don't. They also have a lot of colors. Like I really could have gone ham and gotten all the colors they had. They had like purple and gray. They had gray ribbon. That's very rare at Dollar Tree. I mean, I don't even know if I've ever seen gray ribbon. Silver, yes, but gray, no. But I didn't. I just stuck to yellow and orange. Now in a previous haul, I showed you guys these little decor pieces, and a third one was floating in a different bag. So look how cute these are. You could definitely junk journal with them. Or turn them into garland or style them in a tier tray, or you could do additional DIYs with it. You could put it in wreaths. Like there's just so much you can do with those little pieces. And that's a new concept, by the way. Dollar Tree hasn't ever given us like those little ice cream cones for summertime before. Okay, nobody's surprised, but I picked up more of the mini Unos. I love these for junk journaling, which by the way, my mermaid kits are out. I've only even announced it on my Instagram and they're already going. So if you want my mermaid kit, I'll link it down below in my Etsy shop. There's only a select number left. I don't even know how many there's left right now. Maybe like 30 kits. So FYI on that, but I grabbed those. Now listen. This is absolutely adorable, and this is what always gets me so excited for Dollar Tree. I'm like, what am I gonna find when I walk in there? And I found these. Like, what? These are faux eyelash cases. Like, you can just, like a little travel case. And I picked up every single color that they had. Let's just open one and see what it like. Oh yeah, it's got the plastic. Like, are you supposed to keep the plastic? Do you just put the eyelashes like around the, I assume so, I really don't know, but clearly you can see that it comes out if you just like, I guess, want to lay it down. I love the little glitter center. That's so cute. All right, then I picked up a bunch of Mother's Day cards. Now, however, some of these are like triples and duplicates because, let me just show you. Let me just show you. Like, this little teacup is taking me out. And it's an additional layer, so if you wanted to junk journal and you didn't want grandma, you can peel off this little teacup and deconstruct it. So cute. The envelope is pink. Now this one is a graduation one. I got this for my brother. He just graduated with his MBA. So this one I thought just looked the best for like an older person, you know? So the other ones just kind of seemed like high school-ish or maybe college. So there's that. Okay, then I found this one. Now they had a bunch of Mother's Day cards and these like handmade cards, but I didn't like them all. So I'm only showing you guys clearly the ones that I liked. So cute, I just can't deal. Here's another one. I love the wheel, that's really adorable. Like, so cute. And then a little bag, a little beach bag or gift bag or something with sunglasses. Like, these cards just honestly get cuter each and every year. And then we've got this one, which I don't know why I didn't get 2 of these, because I personally looked at this from a junk journaling perspective. I know that I can remove this layer right here and just like use it, and the pancakes are gorgeous. Like, you need to see this card in person. The camera is not doing it justice. There's a beautiful glitter sparkle thing to it that you just need to see in person. Then I picked up this one, like gorgeous, also very easy to junk journal with. So like you could, because there's like clear cut straight lines, you could always cover it with another piece of like construction paper and then put whatever message you want on it. So you could definitely look at it from that standpoint. But as a Mother's Day card, this is stunning. I love the color palette on this. We never see this color palette for Mother's Day, so obsessed. Then we've got the Starbucks dupe, and this is so cute. I love how they wrote mom, like writing someone's name. That is so clever, and I'm obsessed. And look, there's like the little check marks, and it says kind, lovely, smart, caring, and fun. Yeah. And then the last card, I had to get 3 of them because it's strawberries. Like, I said, what? And the way that they have this, it says, you are very sweet. It doesn't say Mother's Day, but it's cute for Mother's Day. But it's also so perfect to like junk journal with or friend mail with. Yeah, it says Happy Mother's Day right here, but you could always cover that up. Like, that's easy. You could reline this with scrapbook paper. So, what? It was the card. This is the card I've been waiting for my whole Dollar Tree life that I didn't know I was waiting for. So there's that. All right, next up is food. I just had to get this. At first I was like, oh, that's interesting that they put those cereal in a small box like that. But then upon closer inspection, it's actually instant oatmeal. Fruity Pebbles and Cocoa Pebbles is instant oatmeal. I didn't even know that it was, but it's at Dollar Tree and wanted to let you guys know. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this. I'm assuming there's like individual packets. So let's just kind of like see, yeah. So honestly, which is really cute. So if like you want to do some type of gift basket, you know, you could pull 1 or 2 of these out. Whatever, keep the rest for yourself. I don't know. All right, then the last things, which I thought I was gonna do a taste test on, they are these soft croissants. I just saw them. The strawberries obviously caught my attention. So we're gonna try those, and then we have a chocolate. And then we have, I guess, a vanilla flavor. All right, let's start off with vanilla. I'm scared. Here, that is a... I don't know. It smells good. I'm gonna tell you straight out the gate, it smells fresh. I don't know how that's possible. Okay. I got a bite with the filling. Wait a damn minute. Okay. I didn't expect that. .5 out of 10. Maybe even a 9. Going for the chocolate. Chocolates. Smells like a donut. Here's the... Wait a minute. pretty good. I'd say an 8 out of 10. Okay, I'm surprised. I thought I was gonna rate these like zeros, if I'm being honest. Like I even have a whole bottle of water here. Let's do the strawberry. There seems to be some vanilla or something there. Not very much like strawberry. But it's good. I would say another 8, an 8 out of 10. That vanilla, I'm shook. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. It helps out my channel so much. It helps YouTube to like push my videos out further, so thank you for already giving it a thumbs up and leaving comments. And don't forget, my mermaid kit is available in my Etsy shop. Again, link down below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.